of the first things that you might be interested in doing is changing the speed of your clip. This is very easy. What we do is we select the clip in the timeline like so. We right click, go down to speed and duration, and let's just look at the settings that you can use to change the speed of your clip. We have this first box here, which is the speed either as a percentage. So for example, 50% is twice as slow, 200% is twice as fast. We also can type in a duration. For example, if you want to fit the clip into a 1 minute space, you can type in 1 minute. We can also reverse the clip. We can maintain the audio pitch. And what that means is when we change the speed of a clip, we change the video speed plus the audio speed. By clicking maintain pitch, the sound doesn't change. For example, if someone's talking, they're going to talk faster, but they won't sound like Minnie Mouse or Darth Vader. So let's look at some examples of changing the speed in Premiere Pro.